In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Binance account to TradingView so you can analyze charts and place trades in one place. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account in a separate tab. This step is important because TradingView will need to verify your account during the connection process. Now open TradingView and go to your chart screen, also known as the Supercharts interface. Once you're inside the chart, look at the bottom of your screen and find the trading panel. Click on it to expand the panel. Now you'll see a list of brokers and exchanges that TradingView supports. Use the search bar and type Binance. When Binance appears in the list, click on it. Next, click the Connect button. TradingView will now prompt you to authorize the connection. If you're already logged into Binance, this step will be quick. You may need to complete a security check like a code or confirmation. Just follow the on-screen instructions and approve the connection. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation that your Binance account is successfully linked. That's it. You can now place trades, monitor positions, and manage your account directly from TradingView without switching platforms. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.